Hey there, how's everyone doing today? As you can see by that cool little glass globe and now this box, we are looking at a Seiko Astron watch. And I'm concentrating on the Astron series because this new edition came out in September and we're really excited to take a look at them. I think the Astron series has had some big improvements. The models are much thinner than they used to be, and they just they look more futuristic. They're not as crowded and as busy as some of the first Astron series were. And let's take a look. And here they have that yellow pouch that you find the Astrons in. And hold on, let me show you the paperwork real quick. Okay, it comes with this stuff. Alright, now that we got the boring stuff out of the way, let's get back to taking a look at this watch. Alright, and here we go. Now this case design was based on the 1969 first quartz watch, the Seiko Astron, which gives the Astron series its name. So this case design is inspired by that, and that's why all these watches we're looking at in the series have the same basic head or the basic look of the watch. This one's got the black face, stainless steel band, and it is a 5X caliber, specifically a 5X53. So what Astron does is it uses satellites up in space. It's a GPS controlled time, and it has special time zone adjustment. So it actually adjusts itself, these new 5X series, twice a day, and it corrects itself. It's also got a perpetual calendar built in as well, which corrects itself to the year 2100. And these new Astron series have an automatic daylight savings adjustment function. So that's something very cool, because I remember with the old series it was kind of a pain for the turn on, turn off the daylight savings. Now the stainless steel has this special super hard coating that Seiko uses on some of their higher end watches, and this model is 10 bar or 100 meter water resistance, and the clasp that we saw earlier, that's an easy adjust 3-fold clasp with the special push button release. So yes, we've also got the sapphire crystal on this guy with a special clear coating on top. And the size of the watch, we're going to see it on my wrist in a second. It's 41.4 millimeters the head, and the thickness of the watch is 13.3 millimeters thick. And you can see it here. It's a substantial looking watch, but because of the way it curves on you, it's really comfortable. It fits real nice. Just overall a cool watch. I'm not sure where Astron fits in the Seiko lineup. It's not really a dive watch. It's not really a dress watch like Presage. It's kind of its own entity, and that's why they've separated it as such. It's kind of their futuristic version of what watches could be, trying to show off the technology a little bit. And here we got it in the dark, and not a lot of lume, but you can see the hands and a couple of the markers there. Thanks for taking the time to check out the video. Have a good one, guys.